Are you looking for a cleaner that is handheld to use for multiple surfaces? Our chemical-free steam cleaner is a good choice for you. The steam cleaner harnesses the incredible power of high-temperature steam. Heat up in just 3 minutes and release pressurized hot steam at 221 F. With a formidable 1050W power and a generous water tank capacity of 350 ml, we recommend leaving to 5 ml for regular use. Enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions of 10 minutes or more. The steam cleaner effortlessly takes on your toughest cleaning challenges. Our handheld steam cleaner proudly boasts a 100% chemical-free cleaning solution, ensuring no harmful fumes or residues. With a built-in safety lock on the handle and a safety cap, we prioritize your well-being and provide you with peace of mind. Safely clean around children and pets without any worries. We go above and beyond by including a comprehensive 9-piece accessory kit. From the angled nozzle to the bendable extension, brush nozzle, fabric steamer tool, and even a rubber wiper for windows, doors, no space is left unclean. Tackle hard-to-reach gaps, corners, and a wide range of surfaces. From kitchen sinks to shower curtains, from your beloved pet's mat